going on, everybody?
What's
Here
up?
with Inslee. We're going to be going to Mid-Ohio shooting the IMSA Sports Car Challenge. Quite a long drive. I'm gonna put his info in the description.
Appreciate it.
But yeah, anything you want to say?
Yeah, 9.5 hours. It's gonna be fun.
All right, so we are taking a slight detour because we saw a sign that said we've made it to Kentucky.
Yeah.
And we saw a sign that said that the Colonel Sanders birthplace, and there's a KFC up here.
Dude, we gotta get some chicken, man.
So,
all right, shut up, Siri. Dude, Stinky in the birthplace of KFC. Are you serious right now? Oh my gosh, this is insane. Dude. Mike, what do you think about this? Oh, we're both recording. Oh, shoot.
all right, now I got to do this dumb gear shifter. So I got to hit the button and put it up. Oh, that's reverse.
You got to hit the button to put it in park.
Oh yeah.
And now it's in park.
I hate this damn car. Is this a Pokemon? Dude, this Pokemon.
Yeah, I've been there.
I've been to that one.
Dude.
That was actually shockingly a cool stop. So we got the neon sign here. What do you think of that, Inslee?
Yeah, definitely worth it. If you're coming through here, definitely do yourself a favor. Sit next to Sanders and stop. It's pretty stinking cool.
Corbin, Kentucky. Middle of nowhere, Kentucky. We just saw it sign that was like birthplace of Colonel Sanders, and we both looked and was like, actually, yeah, it's time for a pit stop. Good morning, everybody. We are here. I almost said Road Atlanta. We are here Mid-Ohio, Van Dister trailer. So just kind of walked around, got the little lay of the land, but we're coming up to a cool spot because one of the cool things about Mid-Ohio is there's this little pavilion that sees into the garage, which will show off the car. So we're gonna have them, they're doing some final checkups, and we're gonna go do pretty much some photos looking down over the car when they go to grid. So it's interesting being the main event for the weekend because we only have one session today and we're the last session. So there's a bunch of stuff on track and we just kind of, they're doing all the prep stuff. And then I've just been getting a lay of the land, getting the recon of it. So I know what I want to do for tomorrow and Sunday. That's the end of day one. Just got done with practice one. I'm gonna go up here, grab Inslee because he's hanging out with the BRC guys, and then we are heading up. We gotta go do some administrative things. I gotta get some groceries for tonight, something to cook dinner. All right, we are day two here, Mid-Ohio. Looks nice this way. Does not look nice this way. Oh, no. we have to go on what's called a trek, because the spot that I want is way the hell on the other side. One of the gripes that I do have about this track is there is a lot of photo zones adjacent to a no photo zone, and you can't pass through the no photo zone at all, because it is on a pretty treacherous part of the track, which means to get to a spot that I want that is adjacent to a no photo zone, I have to exit, go all the way around the no photo zone, and then come back into where I can go. So it has definitely made traversing this track pretty difficult. So far, I mean, I like the spots that I'm getting to, but it's just kind of crazy that I have to, what I actually have to do. So MX-5's ending up here, and then we're gonna go get some outside stuff. I'm gonna hit Thunder Valley while the cloud cover is nice and even lighting, because later today, depending on weather, the sun is not gonna be where I want to get the shot that I want, so.
Was there a little touch? It looks like it, because the slide then suddenly stabilised from that overhead shot, and yes indeed.
Remind me of your names, Ed, Bill. Thank you guys. Yes, sir.
All right.
Thank y'all.
Hey,
y'all take it easy. Appreciate it.
have a good day.
Good seeing y'all.
Good seeing
Thank you. Almost like that whole monsoon never even happened, because it is absolutely beautiful right now. The weather's out. I edited some photos into the drive for them. So, yeah, it's almost like that monsoon never happened. All right, now we have Quali. We're here chilling. I got IMSA here. We're here. We're about to just take some time, watch the next 5 minutes. From shockingly beautiful Ohio. Race day, day 3. We're gonna head to the track. We're gonna go shoot some race cars. Ainsley, how'd you fare yesterday?
Did pretty good. Day felt like it flew by because it was so much busier than Friday. So yeah, it went really good.
Had to deal with the rain. Had to deal with some other stuff.
That was kind of a pain. I got caught in the middle of the rain, in the middle of a downpour, so I was soaked.
So we are here. There is a driver autograph session. So we're gonna be getting some autographs. Alan, Trenton have some sick hero cards. And that's one of my favorite things about IMSA, is the fact that all of this stuff is 100% free with general admission. You can come in, get your autograph signed, and just have a good time. So we're gonna go over here. I'm gonna show you Alan and Trenton's little setup. And they're not currently signing anything, but
One
will be. For the vlog. Huh? For the vlog. For the vlog? Yeah. Huh? Is why it's important to always bring extra stuff because something has happened with one of my shoes and it is cutting into my foot to a degree. I don't know if it was from the weather last night or what. So thankfully I have an extra set of shoes. And I'm just swapping them real quick. And then we have the grid walk, fan walk. So that's gonna be a ton of fun. All right, we are here, fan walk. We're pretty far up. Like I said, qualified P3. So we're just waiting on the boys are down there doing driver intros, and then they're gonna come back and we're gonna get some shots of them. But yeah, we're just here hanging with the car and seeing what's going on. But yeah, look at this thing, dude. This thing is beautiful. It's a ton of fun, but as you can tell,
I was in your spot 25 years ago. I was a fan. Thank you very much.
very hectic here on the grid. Very hectic. It's hot right now. It's hot. What I'm not aware of is that some tomfoolery is about to happen behind me. PSA, if you're trying to get into motorsports, don't do this. Kind of a chaotic start. But we're doing pretty good. What you're seeing here is the face of a person who's just observed someone else do something so incredibly stupid that they're kind of in disbelief that they're even looking at this right now. The person behind me hopped the fence to try and get closer to the track to take photos. When I stopped the dude, told him, hey, you can't be over here. This is not a safe area. He told me I should just mind my business. He's just taking a couple photos. Again, it's incredibly unsafe to be there. So I made sure that he was reported to the track, reported to IMSA, and one of the marshals also helped me get this guy out of here. But yeah, don't do that. So incredibly stupid.
60.
Of not having a car strikes again. I gotta walk all the way to the spot that I want to walk to, or that I want to get to. So this part sucks. My hero. Just when I needed him most. Saves me a ton of walking. Back into the pits for the second round of stops. I wanted to get more actual pit stop stuff of the team, of them doing their thing, but I also didn't want to get hit by a tire. So with that being said, I had to bounce around to a couple of the other boxes nearby to see if they had a pit stop coming up. Could I use their pit stop for a second? The one to the left of our box is in our class and they were about to pit. So I went to the TCR box and these folks here were nice enough to let me use their box, and they weren't gonna pit for a while, so I was able to get inside the pit stall and get some pretty good stuff. right, guys. Not a bad finish. P9. Alan apparently spun during his first stint. They were having some issues with cooling themselves. He had a little spin coming out and fell all the way back. I think it was like 17th, 18th. Fought all the way back. We were able to do some things with strategy, get back up to P9. So top 10 finish, first top 10 for Alan and IMSA, so super cool. Now we're on to Watkins Glen, so it's gonna be sick. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, a little bit of the behind the scenes of the vlog. If you want to, follow all the social medias for Vandister, Alan, Trenton, Aston Martin. I'll put them in the description. Also, shout out Ensley for hanging out with me. He's going back down to the paddock. He forgot something. But shout out Ensley. I'm gonna drop his stuff down there too. Trying to get him on the content grind. So hopefully he'll be able to do some stuff with VRC. So good group of folks here in Mid-Ohio. Great track, good environment, and just another great IMSA weekend. So thank you guys so much for joining. I'll see y'all later.